King Mo. Welcome to Tenga Outlet, right here, where all the big brands stores. That's why it's called Tenga Outlet. So let's keep on moving and see what's happening with Tenga Outlet. And so, this is a big outlet, as you guys can see. The name itself says Tenga Outlet, so it means the factory outlet. So let's keep on moving and see what's popping. Yeah, the American flag is half staff, so let's see what's it's rolling. Yeah, half. So, hey, and this music, I don't know, man. I have no clue. This music is killing me. And today, it's really kind of empty, there's not a lot of people. You know what, when it's cold, people tend not to go to do shopping and all that. This is Under Armour store. This is the outlet. Under Armour, and that is Adidas. So all the big stores. Yeah, this is Tenga Outlet in Grand Rapids. Yep, that is Under Armour. So all the big brands are here. Loft Outlet, and yeah, that is Adidas. Whew. Yeah. This temperature reminds me of Chicago weather. Yeah, it's been pimped up. And let's see, and it's really empty. Yeah. Every outlet is here. Every outlet is here. And this is perfume outlet. All the big perfumes and everything, whatever, Bath and Body Works. Oh yeah, Calvin Klein. Yeah, and this is Tommy Hilfiger, and that is Polo Ralph Lauren. Yeah, let's keep on moving and see what's popping on the other side. Ooh-wee. So, whew. Whew. Oh, the big Christmas tree is still glowing. Yeah, but today is the last day because today is the January the 5th. So tomorrow is the 6th. Ah, man. This music is killing me. I hope it don't go in. And then, yoo-hoo! Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. It's whoosh. Oh my God, the music is so loud. I hope YouTube don't give me a strike on this. Hey. Oh yeah, the big boys house. The orange stick. That is a couch. Yeah, not a lot of people shopping. So, yeah, if you walk around a lot, look at this pretty gift basket kind of thing. Really pretty, huh? Yeah, it's a really cold up in here. Ooh-wee. Like I said, let's keep on moving and see what's popping. And it's really cold. Here is where we get the heat a little bit. If you come closer here, see? Yeah, that's a gas, it's not a cold. Yeah. Can see. Yes, it is cold. Yeah, but it's not as bad as like the Chicago thing. Yeah, in a little bit we'll go to the Big Tech and see what's popping up and in there. So, like I said, this is a big. I will not be able to walk around all, but just I'm gonna go see what's popping with Nike. You know, Nike, it's always good. They always have a good deals, you know, and Puma is right there. Like I said, this is a factory outlet. So I'll be visiting Nikes too, see what's really popping. Yeah. Ooh-wee. Okay. Yeah, Puma's right there, next to Nike. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll be going checking that out. Mountain Warehouse. Yeah. Like I said, there's a big stores here, but we'll be checking out. It is freezing cold up in here. But hey, let's keep on moving and see what's popping. Okay, jewelries. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. You can see MK. It's right here too. Michael Kors. Banana Republic. Factory store. All these stores are factory stores. Oh my God, this music is out of control. It's everywhere. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Ralph Lauren, Tommy. Let's keep on moving and see what's popping. Whew. Already. I got a sister today who's helping me out. So we're now going to where? Nike store. Yeah. Yeah. So, you guys wondering like who's supporting this? Yeah, well, I got my sister today, so I don't know if he wants to be seen or not. So let's keep on moving and get to Nike. And it is cold, very cold. Oh yeah. Before my system gets freezing. Woo. All right, let's keep on moving. Okay, now we are in a Nike factory outlet. This is everything about Nike. This is just do it. So we're just doing it. It's all about Nike. Nike. There is Nike. Ooh. Yep. Let's see what else we have here. This is one good thing about Alrighty, you guys can see we got so many shoes here that you can choose. They're all on sale. Yeah, look at that on the double. That is from King James. Yep, that is for King James Zoom LBJ. Yeah, that's from King James. That's LeBron Jones. Oh yeah. Let's keep on moving and see what's popping. So you see on the factory is only $25. Ooh. Yeah. This is Air Flights. $60. Used to be 90. See? So you see Air used to be 120, now it's 139. Yeah. Yeah, that is suggestion retail. Ooh. And this are the new Pumpo Nike Riders. Ooh. Yeah, the other thing is the music. So I don't know if I'm going to get a strike on this one, but I have to cut it off and see what's popping. So let's keep on moving. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, music is really loud. Yeah, every corner you heard, the music is loud. Music is really loud. Let's keep on moving and see what's popping. So I have to stop the video here and see what's popping on the other side. Oh yeah. Now I am trying to see which one I'm going to take. This is the first pair. This pair number one. Pair number two. I'm gonna get this. Pair number three. Three dope pairs. That's what I'm about to get. Okay. See it. Yeah, you guys can see it here. 1, 2, 3. So let's keep on moving. Oh yeah. I'm about to head out to roll out. Alright. Finish the Nike store. Yeah, this camera locks up every time. Yeah, it's been good rolling with the tick. So I'm up out of here now. Let's see what else we got. Yeah, and like I said, it's cold. Nobody's here. Yeah, we're about to roll out. Right? Stay tuned. Yo, people, I'm about to finish this video right here, right now. Until next time, let's wait for another video and see you on the next one. As you guys can see, it's still a winter time, and voila, I'm in the snow right here. So I'm about to finish this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment, likes, share. It's all good. King Mo signing out. Peace. See you on the next one.